Hey my friend, welcome to another Mindset Monday. I'm Drew Canoli. How would you like to make massively successful decisions in any moment at all? And what if making these decisions in your life led to your true destiny? In any moment, you knew that you were on path, on purpose, and on point with who you truly were. Well, in this Mindset Monday, I'm going to show you 3 radical ways to make better decisions in your life right now. All right, so one thing that I've taught thousands of coaching students all over the country, all over the world throughout the past 7 years has been willpower muscles. What are our willpower muscles? So willpower muscles are basically the strength that you have in any moment to make the right decision. One thing I love to do is I like to envision that my grandchildren are talking to me in this moment now. Now you may say, Drew, you're not even married yet, you don't even have a wife, you don't even have kids, how are you gonna talk to your grandchildren? That's okay, right? I can envision it. Oh my God, you are so adorable. Adelaida, you are going to love planet Earth. Maybe she's like, you know what, Drew, I know you're my grandpa, but in this moment, it's gonna impact us, it's gonna change my life, maybe I won't even show up if you continue to have this reckless behavior. Tap in to your grandchild, maybe it's your son or your daughter of the future, talk to them, see what they have to say. Number 2 is get clear on what the noise is. Every decision you make requires glucose in your brain, and we only have so much in our bodies that our brain can use. When your closet is messy, when your car is messy, when your house is dirty, when the kids' toys are left all over the place, your brain is still using energy to hold all that in its place. So if you want to have more brain energy, get rid of the clutter, get rid of the junk, get rid of the distractions, get rid of the noise, and get on with really having massive amounts of willpower. So in the final note, and maybe you've read the book from 1937, Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon would also have a mastermind, okay? So I talked about talking to your future grandchildren. What's cool is you can have the people that you look up to from the past or even the present, your mentors, and you can go to this mastermind table in your mind and ask them what decision they would make. And it's interesting what you can come up with. So there's 3 ways to make better decisions in your life. And why is it important to make better decisions, my friend? Because every choice point in your life, every decision that you make is going to make an impact on your future, your legacy, your destiny, and everything that you want to attract and create in your life right now is there for the taking if you make the right decisions in your life. And sometimes you're not going to make the right decision. So if you haven't made some right decisions up until now, stop beating yourself up. What's in the past is in the past. Even if it happened 1 minute ago, it's still in the past. Don't give any attention to it. There's a reason your rearview mirror is this big and your windshield is this big. Stop looking at the past and start looking at what's ahead, my friend. Be in the moment now. Make those decisions that you ultimately want to make. Do me a favor, if you've read the book that I just wrote called You Be You, go on Amazon, review it, honest reviews only, okay? Or check it out, get it right now. It's got exercises, principles, and practices that I've used to transform my life, and you're gonna love it. I'm Drew Canoli. As always, remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you soon.